Hello scientists, Dr. Pumpkin back again. Today's experiment is snow joke. Today I'm going to show you how to make fake snow. Watch on to find out how.
So, to make your own fake snow, you're going to need just a couple of things. Some baking soda, some hair conditioner, but make sure it's white so that your snow is white, and a bowl. And that's it. If you want to add some glitter as well, you can always do that too. So, what you need to do is combine the baking soda with the hair conditioner in the bowl, but don't use a spoon. Use your hands to knead the mixture into a sort of snow dough. You're going to need more baking soda than conditioner, but you need to experiment with the precise amounts. So we'll pop some baking soda into the bowl and we'll put some conditioner in as well. If you find that your mixture is too sticky, add more baking soda, and if it's too dry, add more conditioner. Mixing the baking soda and the conditioner together creates what we scientists call an exothermic reaction.
So now you've made your fake snow. What are you going to do with it? Maybe you're going to make a snowman. What do you think would happen if you added some vinegar to your fake snow? Why don't you try and find out? Happy experimenting, scientists. Have an nice day. Bye.